Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to block any websites using the host file in Windows. So in alternatively you may book any website through the host file in Mac as well, Mac OS. Okay. So today I'm going to show you how to block any website URL in the host file using Windows. So you have to open the notepad and it should be run as administrator, and now you need to open the host file which located in C, Windows, and you have to go to system32. There is called drivers and etc, and as soon as you went to the etc you may not see because all the file types are not showing here. So in order to show all the files, so you need to go to here and click all files, and then you will see the host and open it. Okay, now we are inside the host file. So for example, we need to block Facebook. So for that case you need to put the Facebook with URL facebook.com. Sorry, prior to that one you have to mention your loopback address. So it is 127.1. okay, now you have to save it. Now let's go ahead and see whether Facebook can able to access or not. So as you can see guys, so DNS name is not resolved due to that we have added loopback address. So basically what's practically doing the website, when you type anything in the URL in the web browser, which trying to convert the IP address to the meaningful name, and then the meaningful name try to find out the particular IP address which is the DNS and try to resolve the host name, resolve the name. In this case Facebook directly I have put it to the loopback address called 127.0.0.1, so it will not resolve. So as a second example, if you go to the ping facebook.com, you will see that it's try to ping to the loopback address. See, it is 127 instead of something like 227 or some kind of the IP address which exactly belongs to Facebook. So at the moment it's not resolved. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy the video. That's the way how to block any kind of website, and have a great day.